A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebere. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit on the notification button, the one that looks like a bell, so each time I post a new video you'll be the first to watch it. So into today's video I'll be unboxing and assembling my 18 inches ring light, because in the room, this room where I do my videos, I only get reflection of sun in the morning, and like between 8 to 12. After 8 to 12 the lights will go to another direction. I thought as much to get a ring light for myself, since I'm creating content, so I might as well need ring light so it can help me out. And finally I got one for myself. So if you're a person that is watching this video and you are unsure of what kind of ring light you can get or you can buy for your videos, then this place is the right place for you. So please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So I went on doing some research. I went to Amazon. I went for research. I look at the ones that I feel like it will be okay for me. Then I went down looking for the review. So more especially when I want to buy something in Amazon, I'll first of all read the review of those who have already bought it before and see if they are giving it a good review or bad review. So through there I'll make my choice. Then that's how I buy something. Not only Amazon, in any website I want to buy something, I always read a review. A review helps a lot. So guys, make sure if you want to buy something on online, please try to read review. It really helps. Don't just buy because it looks good. Just go through the review and see what people said about it. That is people that have bought it, and see what they said, if it is a good product or not. So through there you can make a nice choice. Over there, let's do it. So here is the ring lights. You just need the scissors, cutting it down. Make sure you are very careful when you're cutting these things, because you might probably cut out something. So you should be very careful. Oh wow, guys. Oh my god, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Well packaged. Look at that. It's well packaged. Like, this is an empty one. Look, they just put it an empty box, and then just to make sure that it's protected, it's not broken or anything. Let's open it and see what is inside. Guys, this is actually on sale now, because I checked it last night. It was like 69 something pence. I'm not very sure. I think I bought it for I think for 2 or 3 weeks now. So yeah, but it's only today that I wanted to unbox it, because I just, that is only when I've got time to do this. Make sure you check thoroughly inside the box, because sometimes you might just throw the box with some of the things in there that you needed to use to put them together, you know. So check very well. Make sure you check very well, and see if you can see anything left behind. I think this is a tripod. Yay, so nice, guys. I love it. Yeah. so lovely, guys. It looks nice. I think it's got about 2 LED lights. I'm not sure. Let's open that and see. Make sure you've been very careful when dealing with things like this. Okay, it got 2 LEDs. So the orange and the white one. So I'm not sure, guys. I'm just being gentle with this because I don't want anything to get spoiled or to damage, because oh my god, I don't want that. This is the lights. So right, I've got things here, so make sure you don't leave anything behind. Just make sure, yeah, it's really important you check the bag thoroughly. Okay, guys, this is the manual. This one. Yeah, I think this is the battery. Yeah. Yeah, so this is basically, this is what where you're gonna put your phone on. See, this is where you're gonna put your phone on. See the back, the leg. We are getting there.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
Looks nice. Yay, lovely. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So let's see. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god, this is so lovely. Oh my god. So guys, if you're looking for a ring light to use for your videos, I think you might probably check this out. Go to Amazon. It's there and it's on offer now. It's 67 something pence. I'm not really sure what pence it is, but I got it £109. It wasn't on sale when I bought it. So yeah, so you can check out and get some for yourself, because this is really cool. You can see how I'm looking. You can see how beautiful it gives the look so nicely. You can set it anyhow you want it. This is so perfect. You can have some of this and make your video look classical. it's gonna make your video to look classic. This is so lovely. I mean, this is actually beautiful. I can't believe it. Oh my god, this is beautiful. When I say beautiful, it is. Guys, get some for yourself. If you're really looking for something to use, if you're really looking for ring lights to use, I think you might probably check this out. It is really nice. This is 18 inches. It's really nice. Can see when I put my, can see how my face looks like here, and then when you show it on my face, it's like magical. Alright then. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit on the notification button, so each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to notified. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't